everyone, and welcome back to the 6th video installment in my how-to video tutorial series. Today we're back to part 2 of how to export a rendered project video from Twinmotion. So we're gonna of course start off within Adobe Premiere Pro, since we already have everything collaborated into a folder of a bunch of photos of our render. We will then just click create. I have the same project of the same name, which sometimes is started as that, but we'll replace it. Sometimes it needs a little buffering, so just be patient with the application. Now that we're in, we can go to our folder of our image from our renders, and we'll just go to the 3 option and select all of the images. Then maybe scroll this downwards and drag it into this area here. Give it a little time to load in. Once it is all loaded in, you can then check if the video is in the right sort mode. Sometimes it's not, and you will need to change the order into the list view sort, so it will sort the file into its naming convention. In this case, the numbering would then make it orderly. So afterwards, when you first put in all your images, it will appear as 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Now we don't want that. We don't want our video to be 16 minutes of just the renders. More than that probably. But so what we want to do is right click and change the speed and duration. Since you already have everything selected, so it will change all the speed of the images. I'll change it to 0.1 millisecond, since it will make everything faster. And afterwards, what you want to do is drag it into this area here. It will then turn it into a video. So we'll just play it. And as you can see, it's not of the fastest pace. So it's at 40. What we want to do is then, this will be a quicker way of making a video faster. So I'll just select all the images that are on this tab and go into right click and speed duration. Not that actually, I was wrong. Right click and we nest the sequence. You can name it whatever you like. I'll just leave it at that. And so this whole thing will be a whole video. But sometimes it doesn't appear. Do not fret. You just double click and you select the whole thing again, and you right click and either scale it to frame size. In this case it did work, so we're good. And then we can go back out to our main video part we're doing and play it again. Now this time it's working. So what our objective was to make this video faster. So we right click, change the speed and duration to, now that it's 40, we change it back to the 15 seconds that we've intended from Twinmotion. Click on OK. And now it should play a video faster. as you can see, it plays a lot faster. Sometimes it is laggy, but once you've exported it, it should be alright. After you have previewed your video, you can then go into export and pretty much keep it all the setting the same. We want to export the video as a H.264 format, which is a normal format, and the preset added adaptive high bitrate. And if you want a little better of a quality, you would go into the video and more and put it at render and maximum depth and render use maximum quality. Now you can just play the video to see how it looks. As you can see, it's still laggy here, but it's alright for the moment. What you then want to do is click on export, and it should start exporting the video right there. Depending on how long your video is, it will take longer to export, but since my video is only 15 seconds, it should take less time. In this case, it's looking like it will export the video in a few minutes. For the time being, you can scroll through your phone, grab a coffee, eat something, okay, now that it's exported, we can then go to our file destination. Looks like it should be here somewhere. Scroll down. Apparently not. If you can't find where your video have exported, you can go back into Adobe Premiere Pro and look at the export section, and it should show the location right here. Users, city and building, ASS02. So we'll just go back to ASS02 here, and as you can see, it appears right here. You can click on it and watch the preview of the video. And there we go. The lagging is not an issue anymore. It has exported all good and well. So thank you for watching.